Good morning, friend. Now we have to start new lecture, new chapter also, and so we want to start now chapter number 7. So before we start chapter number 7, first of all we have to understand basic concept of chapter number 7. So according to the board, on chapter number 7, all exercises are removed. Exercise 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3 is already removed, but it is our duty to understand it properly. हमें समझना चाहिए. So now we go for the chapter 7. Name of chapter is triangle. So first of all we have to understand the meaning of triangle. We know that closed figure formed by three intersecting line is called triangle. Three intersecting lines. So first of all we have to understand the definition of line. That already we have understand the line. Now three intersecting lines. So if you will see, we can extend this. Here we can extend. Here we can extend. Here we can extend. Here we can extend. And here we can extend. So if you will see, there are three lines. अगर तीन लाइन है उसका इंटरसेक्शन अगर देखा जाए इनसे, so these are the three intersecting line is called triangle. Tri means three. A triangle has three sides. Now here AB is a side. Again BC is a side. And AC is a side. AB, BC and AC is a side. Now we have to three sides, three angle. So if you will say, here it is angle A, we can say angle A. Here it is angle B, we can say angle B. Here it is angle C, we can say angle C. So three sides, that is AB, BC and AC. Three angle, angle A, angle B, angle C, and the three vertex. So A, B and C, three vertex. For example, in triangle ABC denoted as A, how we can represent symbol of it? That is triangle ABC. So our three sides AB, BC and CA, that all I am written it here, three side, and three angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, and three vertex, that is A, B and C. So this is the basic information related to the triangle. I think you have now understand the definition of triangle. So I hope that you have to write this point. So we can discuss about the point, right? Again I am discuss what is the meaning of triangle. Three intersecting lines is called triangle. A closed figure, again there is a one word, closed figure, that already we have in 8th standard explained. Closed figure. So closed figure, a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is called triangle. A triangle has three sides, three angles and three vertex. For example, in triangle ABC denoted by triangle ABC, three sides, that is AB, BC and AC. Three sides, that is AB, BC and AC, and the three sides angle A, angle B, angle C are the three angles, and A, B and C are the three vertex. Now we go related with the text, or we can say chapter content. So what is the main objective in this lesson? So four things we have to understand in this chapter. Four things we have to understand in this chapter. That is definition, define the congruence of triangle. So we have to understand the meaning of congruence in this lesson. State the criteria for the congruence. Criteria means necessity. or in Hindi we can say kaun si sharat. In Hindi we can say sharat, or criteria for the congruence of two triangle. Third, some properties of triangle. So if we show that equilateral triangles are there, in equal triangles are there, isosceles triangles are there. So in equal triangle all angles are equal, and inequalities in triangle. Inequalities means what? They are not equal rules. That is called inequalities. We can say in triangle sum of two sides is greater than third side. That is called inequalities. And properties, isosceles triangles has two angles equal. That is a properties. And criteria, that is necessary condition to make the triangle congruence. So four important topic related this chapter that we want to discuss. Now we go for the definition of congruence of triangle. So defining the congruence of triangle. Let us take triangle ABC and triangle XYZ such that corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are equal. Let us make triangle ABC and triangle XY such that corresponding angles and corresponding side. Then we can say congruence of triangle. So if you will see, there are two triangles is there. Already we know that six important parts of triangle, that is three sides, and three sides and three angle. So three sides and three angle, this is the important parts of triangle. So if you will see angle A with angle X, angle B with angle Y, angle C with angle Z, and three sides, that is angle, we will say that side AB with side XY, side BC with side YZ, and side ABAC, that is three line we have to do. So I have to make 3R. So that is related with the corresponding parts are of two congruous triangles. Corresponding parts, that is angles and sides. So before we start it, we have to understand the corresponding angle and corresponding sides. So two triangles are there here. So angle, we see that angle A with angle X, angle B with angle Y, angle C with angle Z. Now we see this, the sides of triangle ABC coincide with the angle of XYZ. So we can say here triangle ABC congruence to triangle XYZ. Two triangles are congruent if all the sides and all the angles of one triangle is equal to the corresponding sides and the angle of other triangle. So already we have discussed in last page that it has angle A with angle X, angle B with angle Y, angle C with angle Z, AB is equal to XY, BC is equal to YZ, and AC is equal to XZ. So these are all the things that we say that the two triangles are congruous. ABC congruous. Here it is a symbol related with the congruous. Triangle ABC congruous to triangle XYZ. Again I explained two triangles are congruous if, already we discussed in last page, that when we can say congruence, when angles and sides are in corresponding angles of one triangle is equal to the corresponding angles of second triangle. That is A with X, B with Y, C with Z. AB is equal to XY, BC equal to YZ, and AC is equal to XZ. Now we go for example so we can understand properly. So what is the meaning of it? A corresponding to X, B correspond to Y, C correspond to Z. If I will draw one triangle ABC at here, that already we have drawn in last page, and in second we can say XYZ. Now A with X, B with Y, and C with Z. So for any two congruous triangle, the corresponding parts are equal, and so CPCT, when two triangles are equal. So what we can say, the corresponding parts of congruent triangle, it is called CPCT. Always remember, when we are proving the sum, we are proving the sum related with the triangle, on that time we can write CPCT. Now according to the text, here one example we are representing it here. So if you will see, there are 5 figures are there. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4 and 5. We have to see that how many triangles are congruent to each other. If you will see the figure first, name of triangle is ABC, another is PQR, DEF, MNR and STU. So if you will see, there are 5 triangles are there. Now if I want to see that which triangle is congruent to triangle ABC. So what we have to check first? What is our first target? What we have to check? Then 3 angles with 3 sides, that we have to check. So if you will see now triangle ABC. So AB is equal to 4.5, BC is equal to 5 and AC is equal to 4. Now if you will see the PQR, now is there any PQR 4.5? In PQR 4.5? Yes, if we will see that PQ, so PQ is equal to 4.5. Now QR, that is 5. So QR, that is 5. And RP, that is 4. RP, that is 4. Now angle A, if you will see RP. So what I have to do, I have to round this. Now if I will draw like that, PQR, then we can easily understand that it is a congruent. So here it is again 2 and here it is 3. So now you will see that two triangles are 4.5 it is, here it is 5 and here it is 4. So now if you will see that two triangles are congruent, we have to find out other triangles are not, or you say yes or no. So if you will now DEF, we have to see now again ABC with DF. So if you will see, is there any 5 centimeter? Yes, DE is equal to 5. Now DE, then EF. Okay, DF is equal to 4.5. So DF is equal to 4.5. So what I have to do, I have to draw like that. Now here it is D. I have to draw F at here and E at here. Now if you will see, here it is 4.5. Now DE. So if you will see that DE, here it is 5. And EF, that is 4. So what I have to do, we have to shift it, because here it is 4. So 4.5, 5 and 4. 4.5 BC is equal to 5. So what I have to do, put 5 at here and 4 at here. Then we can say it is congruent. So again angle, if you will see that angle F is equal to 1. So I have to put at here F. And here I have to put D. So DF and DF is equal to 4.5. FE is equal to 4 and DE is equal to 5. So here 1, here double and here 3. So out of 5 figures are there, here first, second, third, fourth and 5 figures are. Out of it, ABC is congruent to, that is PQR. So we have to write like that, PQR congruent to ABC. Again, if it is congruent, then we have to write DEF is also congruent. Only one of is not congruent, that is TSU is not congruent, that is 5th. Why? Because 5, 5 and 5. So we can say it is not possible. All 4 others are congruent. So it's an example of your text, and just we have to explain that, or we have, for proper better understanding of congruency, I am explained that when we can say two triangles are congruent, three sides with corresponding another triangle, three sides, and three angle of another triangle. Now we have to go to the criteria for it. If I want to prove that two triangles are congruent, then what is the criteria? Because every time we cannot prove 6 criteria. In this, if you will see that 3 sides and 3 angle we have to prove, but it is very difficult to prove every time 6 part. So now in next sheet we can understand it. So criteria for the congruence of two triangle. Criteria for the congruence of true triangle. So first, that is side angle side. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and included angle of other triangle. We can discuss when we deeply go on this. So first criteria, that is SAS, side angle side. Second is angle side angle. Third is angle side. Fourth is side. And fifth is RHS. So all 5 that is given in your text, criteria for the congruence of two triangles. So we can discuss today first 3, SAS, angle angle side. Now first, side angle side congruence. If you will see the figure, that is ABC and PQR. Here AC, that is, if you will see that one side congruence to PR, that is equal, sorry, we can say equal. Here BC is equal to QR, and one angle C is congruent equal to R. So side angle side criteria is satisfied. So it is not necessary every time we have to prove that 3 sides and 3 angle. It is not necessary. Just you have to prove side angle side. We can say the two triangles are congruent. If you will see the figure, AC is equal to PQ, angle C is equal to angle R, BC is equal to QR. Then triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by which criteria? Side angle side. What is the statement of it? Two triangles are congruent if two sides. So here side 1 and here side 2. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of other triangle. ये दो के बीच का जो angle रहता है, it is called included angle. So that is our first criteria, side angle side congruence rule. Now we see the example of it. So in your text, it is example number 1. In figure 7.8, that is given OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. So here in symbolically they already given OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. OD is equal to OC. So that triangle AOD congruent to triangle BOC. So that triangle AOD congruent to triangle BOC and AD parallel to BC. So that is given. So we have to write it given. OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. OD is equal to OC. That is given. Now if you will see that vertical opposite angles are at here. So since AOD and BOC form a pair of vertical opposite angles, so here arrows are there. So we can say vertical opposite angles are congruent, or we can, first of all we have to say equal. So AOD is equal to BOC. Now if you will see, if I want to prove triangle AOD and BOC congruence, then side angle side. So these are all the side, that is OA is equal to OB, and in between I have to write angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, and then write OD is equal to OC. Then we can say triangle AOD congruence to triangle BOC by side angle side congruence rule. Another this we have to prove that AD parallel to BC. So if you will see that OAD corresponding Cbse, according to the Cbse, OAD this angle. So we can say Z is equal to OBC. So OAD is equal to OBC. So alternate angle pair. So when two lines are parallel, alternate angle pair is there. Or we can say alternate angle pair is congruent, then lines are parallel. Therefore AD parallel to BC. So it is a use of SAS congruence rule. In exercise 7.1 we have to also hold the proof by using SAS. Now angle side angle congruence rule. If you will see highlighted at here, one of the only side and two angles are here. So you will see the figure, angle A with angle D, angle C with angle E, and between them one side, that is AC and D. So triangle ABC congruence to triangle DEF by SAS congruence rule. You will see that angle 1, so I am writing it here, angle BAC is equal to angle EDF. Side between them, that is S2, that is AC is equal to DF, and angle ACB is equal to DFE. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of other triangle. You will see that included side, so between them one sides are there, that is AC and DF. Now one more criteria, that is angle side. You will see that angle, here one angle is there, here one angle is there, P, here B we can say, here Q we can say, and one side, but it is not included between. Here side is not between. So angle A, that is BAC is equal to QPR. Angle 2, that is CBA is equal to RQP, and BC is equal to QR. So triangle ABC congruence to triangle PQR by angle side. Two triangles are congruent if any two pair of angle and one pair of corresponding sides are equal. Now we see by example, that is example number 3. Line segment AB is parallel to the other line segment CD. So if you will see here, AB is parallel to CD. O is the midpoint of AD. O is the midpoint of AD. So whenever midpoint is there, it will divide into two equal parts, that is AO and OD. Now show that triangle AOB congruence to DOC. So it is the above, one below and one above, that is AOB congruence to DOC, and O is also the midpoint of. So how we can say, always when angles are lines are parallel, we can make alternate angle pair, that is Z. See, ABO, so here, and DCO. So Z, if you will see, I am making Z at here. So it is alternate angle pair Z. Again AOC, here vertical opposite angle. AOB, angle AOB is equal to angle DOC, and OA is equal to OD because it is given. So three things I have to prove, that is two angle with one side. So two angles already we can say here it is angle 1, here angle 2, and side that is 3. So triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC, that is angle side rules. OB is equal to OC and O is the midpoint of BC. So if you will see properly, according to the exercise 7.1, already we have discussed example. Now in next lecture we go for the exercise 7.1. So it is sufficient today. Now we go for the, in next lecture we can see the exercise.